Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to create a retro look in CapCut. First, let's open our CapCut, and as you can see I already have a project opened. Now let's say I want to add a retro effect to the first portion of the video. Let's split the clip and select the first portion. Now, if you are using a raw footage, it's always a good idea to adjust the colors and fix the tone of the video according to the effect you will choose, which I will show you right now. So, first go to Adjust and tap on Filters. Here, you will see a lot of filters. Scroll sideways and select Retro, and here you can choose to add any of the retro effect to your video. Let's choose 1980, and as you can see it adds a filter on my video. I can choose the intensity of the filter, and I can also adjust the quality of the filter here. Now click on the tick icon, again select the clip, and here go to effects. Go to video effects, and then here you can also select retro, and it will give you a lot of retro effects that you can use on top of your video to give it a more jittery 1980s or 1970s vibe, which will make your video look more authentic. So let's select this film sequence effect, and as you can see, if I now play my video, it looks more like a clip played from a VHS tape. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.